Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing the second update for my October perfume tray. And this perfume tray update is going to be a little different. I feel like this was the first month where I chose fragrances to put on my tray, and so many of them are just not it right now. So we're going to get into all of that in this video. I'm going to let you know if I have any declutters, if I have any new favorites, any combos that I did, all of that, even though this one should be quicker because I've kind of been stuck on like the same 2-3 fragrances that worked from the tray. A lot of it just isn't working. So if you're interested in my perfume diaries and what perfumes I have been wearing for the month of October, just keep on watching. All right, guys, so this month, I don't know, it has been so strange for me. I was just planning out the other day content that I was going to film for you guys, and I remembered that I had to do my last tray update, and I was just like, shoot, what am I going to talk about? Because a lot of perfumes that I've been trying have been smelling so different. I know the difference from living somewhere cold or with all of the seasons. I lived in Puerto Rico where it was hot, but it was humid. And when I was living in Puerto Rico, I would still be able to wear Black Opium, and I would wear like pretty heavy perfumes. I don't know if it was the humidity or what, but I could actually put them on. Here, I feel like many like gourmand perfumes or warm vanilla perfume, which vanilla is one of my favorite notes, and lately I've even been having trouble with certain vanillas because perfume here for me can smell dry, it can smell like smoky, but then the other notes just kind of disappear. And it's starting to cool off here, but I mean, it's still in the 80s up to 90 in the afternoon. So in all honesty, I just cannot wear gourmand warm cozy scents yet, and I'm pretty bummed about that because you guys know that fall time is like my favorite season. When it comes to vibes, fall just has it. The scents are more cozy, they're a little spicy, you have warmth, you can do so much, and I feel like I cannot do that here yet. So maybe we can try again in November, but honestly, I'm like waiting because they just don't smell good. Or it's not that they don't smell good, but they just don't have that, you know, that oomph that you're looking for, that you fall in love with. It's just not there. It smells just dry, crusty, and dusty. And so let's get into those first, and then I will get into the ones that actually worked for me that I have been wearing. So some of these I already showed in the first update of the month, but I'm just going to mention them quickly so that you guys can understand what I am referring to. But here are some examples of fragrances that I pulled out that are just we're not ready for this. It's too hot here, it's too dry here, and these were just like a waste of space on my perfume tray. So let's start off with the worst one right now, which is Black Opium Le Parfum, which I freaking love. And you know, I've been talking about this ever since I got this, which I was in Puerto Rico when I got this. So it does work in warm weather, but just, I'm guessing just not Arizona warm weather. This to me is such a beautiful cozy vanilla scent, and lately every time that I try to put this on or smell it, it smells like polvo. And not even in like a good way, because there's some powdery scents that are amazing. I mean polvo as in like construction, like dusty. Why does it smell like that? I don't know, but I'm not going to get rid of it because obviously that would be too impulsive right now, because it could just very well be the weather. And once it gets pretty cold here, which I've heard the hot is hot and the cold is cold, so I'm gonna hang on to this. We will bring it out probably in December, followed by Dior Poison Girl. I am not feeling this here either. I tried to put it on last night. I literally smell what people said for years, and I even described it as a creamsicle perfume. No, I'm really getting creamsicle here, like to the point where I'm just not getting like those more deeper notes. I'm not getting what I loved about this perfume. So this is another one we will bring out in December, because I don't even think November will be cold enough for those. Next up, YSL Libre Intense. Also one that I can't really talk about this month because I tried putting it on my arm and it's just a little too much. So those, unfortunately, can't really say too much about those. Ellis Brooklyn Myth. Didn't pick it up this month. It's been lonely. I have not been paying attention to it, but I've just been wearing other ones. So yeah, didn't pick this one up. So let's keep it moving. This one I wore once or twice, and this one is okay. It's working in this weather. I can wear it. It feels sexy. It's pretty good. It's not the best right now. I would probably wait until next month, but Guess Seductive Noir smelled really, really nice. I wore it like 2 evenings, and this is just like a very aromatic vanilla. There is like this freshness in it, this fresh spicy vibe to it. There is, I believe, sage. There's vanilla. To me, this smells like date night. To me, this smells like a little black dress. It smells like going to dinner with your hubby and you left the kids with grandma type of vibes. Like, this just smells sexy and hot, even though you can wear it on like an everyday basis and it's fine. But I really like this one for like evening wear, for like when you have your makeup done. It's a little bit more bold and sexy. Very, very sexy. So that is Guess Seductive Noir. Next up, this is a legend. This comes out every fall, every winter, and I promise you, every fall and every winter, it smells better than the last and better than the last. Like, they put their all into this perfume, and this is Kayali Vanilla 28. This perfume started off as a perfume that, yes, I liked it. Yes, it was beautiful. It did have a little bit more of like a floral touch to it when I first got it. It was not as dark as it is right now. And this was just like a vanilla extract type of perfume. It was like sugary, but like brown sugar, warm, cozy. But I feel like each year that passes by, as you can see, I've been very slow at going through this bottle. We have a dent, but I could have gone through this bottle like that because of how good it is. But I love how every year it just smells like it has more depth to it, like a richness to it. It's thick, it's beautiful, it is sweet, it is inviting. It's so good. Vanilla 28 by Kayali is a must-have in my opinion for fall and for winter. A vanilla that has sophistication to it and like sexiness to it. Like, you're a baddie but you like vanilla perfumes, if that makes any sense. You feel hot and sexy, but then there's this sweetness, this warmth, this sugar vanilla extract scent, and it's so good. I love it. Next up, this is another one that I picked up a lot. I love it so much. I've been wearing the personal version of this, but I moved up to the, it's expressive. So this is Commodity Gold Expressive. This is another perfume that I love so much because it is a vanilla, because it does have a little bit of like that gourmand vibes to it while still being light and airy enough so that you don't feel like it's too thick. It's not too cloying. It's not doing too much. This is so, so good. If you live somewhere that is hot and dry and is taking forever to get to those like cold vibes or like winter vibes, crisp fall days, if you don't have that right now, like I don't have that right now, this is the perfect type of vanilla perfume. And even Vanilla 28, these work here. These smell really, really nice. Now for these last two, well, we have 2 bottles here, but it was worn mixed together. So these last 2 that I'm going to mention, I took with me to my trip with my family to California, and it's pretty much all that I wore. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little story about this next perfume because it's just the sweetest thing and just crazy, right? How like fragrance, I don't know if maybe she has memories of this scent herself, but I was packing to go to Disney and I was getting just very minimal things. I wasn't taking a lot of stuff, so I already had the scents that I was going to take packed. And my oldest daughter comes in the room and she's like, can we take Gucci Guilty with us? And at first I was like, no, because this is like my all-time favorite perfume. It's discontinued, it's hard to find. So I was just like immediately no. And then I thought about it and I was like, you know what? This bottle, or not this bottle because I've gone through like 3 or 4 of these, but this perfume has me getting married to my husband, memories in court. Literally no one knew we were getting married. We just went to court and got married. That's how I live my life, I guess. But I was wearing this perfume. For my baby shower for one of my daughters, I was wearing this perfume. For so many memories, for Puerto Rico trips, for concerts, for summer date nights. Like, there's so much wrapped up in this perfume. And when she said that, I was like, you know what? Let's add a Disneyland vacation to the memories. This perfume is so good. I don't even, like, honestly, I can't believe that it's her favorite perfume because to me it's very, very sexy. And she's turning 15 soon, but I swear she just has this taste for like deeper, stronger perfumes and more mature perfumes. Like, she likes perfumes that smell mature to me. So I can see why she would be drawn to this one, and she was just so excited. So we took it, and every time that we were getting ready, I would spray myself with it, she would spray herself with it, and now we have Disneyland as another memory to Gucci Guilty. Gucci Guilty is like this peppery floral, and I'm not really the most floral girl out there, but there are certain florals where I cannot resist, and it's usually florals that are matched with some type of like spiciness, a soft spiciness, not too much, and not too much like woodiness. So I don't like when it's like teak wood or mahogany or just very strong ouds or things like that. But if it's like oak moss, if we have some pink pepper in there, if we have maybe some cinnamon or just things that add a little bit of spice, but it's not too much, those I absolutely love. And Gucci Guilty is kind of like that. It's like this metallic, spicy, fresh floral scent that just makes you feel sexy. And I guess I have family memories with it as well. So that was the one that I wore a lot. And I think I already talked about this one in my last trait update, but I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys, but the combination that I wore, which was 13 of Hearts and Highs and Lows from Diad, I think I did. I think I already talked about this, but yeah, pretty much I put this together one of the days that we were gonna go to Disney. I'm like spraying myself in the closet of where we were staying. I'm just like spraying the heck out of myself, and my husband was trying to find something or do something, and I kind of like peeked into the room and I'm like, what happened? And we're talking or whatever. When I turn around, he's like, you smell so good. This is the second time that he stops whatever I'm doing to tell me how good this perfume smells. And it's 13 of Hearts by Juliana's Perfume. But this time I layered it with Highs and Lows from Diad, which is kind of in the same scent profile. They're a little bit different, but essentially they do have like that second skin musky vibe. So this was like most complimented and just loved. So I wore this one to Disney as well. I will say with these types of perfumes, I'm not expecting it to be like beast mode, but it did keep me smelling just nice and fresh and clean feeling like all throughout the day. And I can still smell it like on my clothing and stuff like that, but it's not like a super strong scent. But yeah, those were the ones that I reached for the most. Before I finish today's video, I also wanted to mention the lotion that I've pretty much been layering with all of those perfumes, and it is a Gourmand body milk, but this is the Fenty Skin body milk, and this is in the salted caramel. So as you can see, we're like halfway through this. Love that it has a pump, love the color of it. It is so sweet. The caramel is just perfect. Now this reminds me of a perfume that Swiss Arabian tried to send to me, and I just couldn't do it because it was too much. It was like the yellow one that's supposed to smell like toffee. I feel like if it smelled like this, then I would really like it, because it kind of has a similar scent to that but softer. And I've just been layering that because it's just giving me fall vibes. It's gourmand, it's sweet, perfect to layer with a lot of those perfumes. And last but not least, I have a body mist, and this is by Noise, and this is Listen Honey. So this is a fragrance mist, and this has notes of honey, caramel, and ginger at the top. Middle note is cardamom, jasmine, and muguet. Base notes are vanilla bean, cacao, and musk. This right here, it could be like one of the only body mists that you get this fall. It is so good. Like this will go paired with Rare, Burberry Goddess, with Guess Seductive Noir, any kind of like aromatic vanilla, or any perfume that has caramel, that has honey. It smells so freaking good. I spray this in the bathroom a lot because I have it in the bathroom. After I use the bathroom, I will spray this all over the bathroom, all over myself, and my bathroom smells so freaking good. It lingers all day long. It has like this floral touch to it, I'm guessing from that jasmine, but everything else just softens it up. That caramel is almost sticky, not cloying and not thick, but you can literally feel a sweetness from a caramel and a honey. So it feels very realistic. It smells like honey, but it's not thick or cloying. I feel like this mist is going to go perfect with so many perfumes that people are raving about. I think this would even smell amazing with Queen's Caramel. That would probably be an amazing combo as well. That is going to be it for today's perfume diaries. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and comment down below if you have any of these fragrances, if you love them, if you don't like them. I love to hear all of your thoughts. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.